Okay, good morning. We are going to talk today about proportions and how you can find out if the two ratios you are looking at are actually proportions. And what is a proportion? Okay, so I'm going to share my screen with you again. Here we go. Okay. Proportion is an equation stating that two ratios are equal. All right, here's my two ratios. And a proportion is equation saying that these two are equal to each other. Well, how do you know if they're equal to each other? Well, one method of testing whether ratios form a proportion, first you write both the ratios in simplest form. So you notice that 10 out of 12 is not in its simplest form. They both can be divided by 2. So let's go ahead and make that in its simplest form. And then 40 and 46, well, we can look at that and say, oh, they both can be divided by 8. So let's get that answer. Now, these ratios are in simplest form now. Are they equal? Nope, they're not equal. All right, so it says a proportion is an equation stating that two ratios are equal. So would these be proportions? No, because they are not equal. All right, there's another way to also, and it's cross products property. This just states that if two ratios form a proportion, meaning they're equal to each other, then cross products are equal. Cross product is two products found by multiplying the denominator of each ratio by the numerator of the other ratio. So I'm just going to make a cross, the little kitty corner. Okay, they cross over and you multiply. So if when you cross multiply, they are equal, both answers, then you have formed a proportion. All right, so let's see if these ratios are a proportion. So 6 times 12, 72. 8 times 9 is also 72. So your answer is yes, they form a proportion. Pretty simple, right? All right. Your assignment today is pretty simple also. All you need to do is the quick check on quick check 1 and 2 on page 238 and 239. We already did the quick check number 1, but you can do it again if you didn't write it down. On page 239, quick check 2 says to determine whether the ratios form a proportion. So you're going to take those two ratios and you're going to cross multiply, just like we did up here. Okay, you're going to cross multiply. And if your answers both are the same, then it is a proportion. If they do not equal each other, it is not a proportion. All you need to do is answer for A, B, and C, yes or no. Okay, that's it. See you later.